Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sandy. I just wanted to do a quick video and introduce myself to all of you. I just also wanted to put a face to the hands and the voice behind all of my videos. So, hi everyone. Alright, so firstly I just wanted to tell you a little bit about myself. That way you kind of get an idea of who I am. So I live in Sydney, Australia, as most of you already know that. So I came here to Sydney when I was about 4 years old with my family from Indonesia. I now live in a semi-rural town about an hour and a half away from the city of Sydney. It's a beautiful place. I love it here. It's just peaceful and it's just far enough away from the city life. And what else can I say? I'll be 48 next month. So yes, I think my daughter is planning a birthday for me. So I'll leave that for her to organise. I've been with my partner now for 20 years and we have a loving relationship. He is just an amazing man. He's very supportive, very patient, understanding, and he always tries his best to always want to make me happy, and he always likes to make sure that I'm happy. And I also try to make him happy too. So we have a very wonderful relationship and we do love each other, and our love just continues to grow as each day goes. And with that, we both have two beautiful daughters together. Our youngest one has just turned 18. She is just, she's a sweetheart. She's got such a lovely nature. She has a beautiful heart. Yeah, she's just a beautiful girl. And our eldest daughter, she's 19. She's also just a beautiful, beautiful person. She's bright, she's fun to be around, and she's funny. Yeah, so we are both very proud parents to have our two beautiful daughters with us. Yeah, they're just beautiful girls. And this boy down here, this one here, this is Jester. He is the barking voice and the pitter-patter feet that you hear in the background of my videos sometimes. He's just a beautiful boy. He's nearly 3 years old and he's a Maltese. He is 95% deaf, but he is nevertheless very much adored and loved. He is just a beautiful, beautiful boy. And we also have 8 hens at the moment. We did have a few more, but they've sadly passed away from old age. So some of our hens are ex-battery caged hens that have been rescued, and we have been fortunate enough to be able to adopt some of those hens and give them a second chance in life and to enjoy the freedom that they weren't given. Yeah, so they're just lovely, lovely, lovely little girls. So whenever there are hens that need to be, that have been rescued and that need to be adopted out, we are more than happy to take them in and let them enjoy their freedom. Sorry, if you can hear my little boy, he's just seen someone at the window walking past. Yeah, so that's just a little bit about me. And secondly, I just also wanted to say is thank you to all of my viewers and those that watch my videos, and for those that have subscribed to my channel and have been a subscriber of mine from the beginning and following me on on my channel. It's just look, I do the videos because I love to create things and I love crafting. I've been crafting now since I was probably about 10 years old. I first started with drawing and some painting. I love reading books, and then I moved on and started sewing, and my mum taught me how to sew, and until now I still do love to sew when I get the chance. I also love making jewellery. I love handmade jewellery, and I like to make jewellery for myself. These earrings here, I don't know if you can see, but I made these earrings myself. I can't go out of the house without earrings, so yeah, this is just one of my other passions. I love making bracelets as well, like this one. So yes, jewellery making is another passion of mine, as well as paper crafting. I love everything that's, oh, before I get onto that, as I was saying, I wanted to say thank you to everybody. That's where the point I was getting at. Yeah, so again, thank you everyone. Look, I just love crafting and I like to share what I make, and the comments that you all put down in my videos, I'm just so humbled and thankful, and for all of your positive comments that you put there. I do read them all. I know I may not reply, but I read them all, and look, it's a great encouragement for me to continue what I do and share with you what I make. And I read that I inspire you, or I'm an inspiration to you. You guys inspire me. Without you guys, you guys give me the drive and the encouragement to continue what I do and be able to share with you what I make, and the tutorials. I love doing tutorials, and hopefully give you some kind of idea on how you can make other projects as well. I'm a supporter for handmade, and I love handmade things, and I love receiving them. I love to give handmade. I know sometimes when we give our handmade creations to people as gifts, they do appreciate it and love it, but I just sometimes find that it's a little bit different when you give something that you've made to another crafter. The appreciation is a little bit different. I guess because crafters like myself, we know what goes into making a project. There's a lot of time in it. We put a lot of love. There's a lot of detail that goes into what we create, and on top of that, it's a very expensive hobby. I think crafting is not a cheap hobby, but well, when you love what you do, money can sometimes just be put to the side. I'm still buying things. I just continue to keep buying and buying craft supplies. Like, I don't really need any more, but I just can't help myself, because there's always new products, new tools, new papers, and we just can never get enough of it. So that's why I understand that when I receive something from another crafter, I do embrace it and appreciate it very much. That's why I always like to buy handmade stuff from other people. And again, that's why I do Happy Mail. Because if I send Happy Mail to someone and that I receive it, we understand what Happy Mail is all about and what goes into it. And I love receiving goodies from people around the world, and I like to also send my goodies to people around the world from my end as well. Other than that, yes, so that's what I just wanted to come on here and do this video. I'm going to stop rambling now, because I've been told by my girls I can't talk too much, so I'll leave that at here for now. Oh, and before I go, I want to also say that I have a couple more videos coming up, more projects and tutorials. I'm using a 6x6 papers. I know we all have a lot of 6x6 paper pads and not know what to do with them or what projects to make, because you're very limited to its size. So I do have a few more projects up my sleeve to share with you, and the tutorials to go with it. So please continue watching my videos. I do have a couple of videos that I have already uploaded that have projects with 6x6 papers, if you want to go and have a look at that. And also, if you want to follow me on Instagram and look at my other crafting projects, you can also follow me there with the same name as my YouTube channel. Yes, so thank you very much for taking your time to watching this video, and I will not see you, but I will you can watch me in my next videos. Okay, thanks for now. Bye.